We are diving right in with a look at what's happening on the big scale. We've got this closed low pressure system that's continuing to influence the area. That's bringing us gusty winds for some spots this evening. More of that cloud cover, but it's really more part of the setup of the second system that's going to continue to move on down, join with that one, and then really dig in, strengthening our winds, giving us the possibility for some mountain snow. A lot of changes coming our way that we're continuing to track with some of those higher picture items that are happening for us. Looking ahead at midnight, you can see that it's possible we get just a little bit of a late night drizzle coming across the Coachella Valley, maybe just for a few cities. The bigger action is happening up toward those areas of higher elevation where we could continue to see some possible snow happening during the overnight hours. And then things start to clear up a little bit as we head into your Monday morning. But at times, we still could be seeing some spotty showers for areas off to the west, as well as some area snow for us, but not expecting to see a whole lot of action in terms of precipitation for most of our valley cities. There is, however, a winter weather advisory that is going into effect tonight through tomorrow morning from the National Weather Service. Areas above 5,000 feet in elevation could see between 1 and 3 inches of overall snowfall. Bigger concerns, though, when you consider that snow falling mixed with wind, reducing visibility, more wind to come. Now, a little bit different with this area in the tan, of course, that's covering all of the Coachella Valley and areas up in the high desert. This is a high wind watch, which is issued in anticipation of a high wind warning, which means strong, gusty winds coming our way out of the west between 30 to 45 miles per hour, gusts possible up to 60 miles per hour. We could even see some isolated gusts a little bit stronger than that. Now, this does not start until Monday night, so you still have time. It will stay with us all the way through Tuesday and into your Tuesday night. Let's track out those winds for you. Looking pretty nice as we head into your Sunday evening, just light breezy. We continue to see those winds sticking around with us as we head into your Monday morning. Into the afternoon, they start to get a little bit stronger by Monday night. Yeah, we'll start to call it gusty. We will continue to see those winds become more widespread, closing that gap around I-10 through your Tuesday afternoon, really not backing off until we get into our Tuesday evening. Again, these are sustained winds. I expect we could see some pretty strong isolated gusts with those. So breaking it all down, gusty west winds Monday night through Tuesday night. That's when things will be the strongest. That's when your first weather alert goes into effect. Blowing sand, you bet. Blowing dust, sure. And with that, the likelihood that we will be closing down some areas around the valley because of that reduced visibility, likely our washes. So difficult travel, something to expect as we look ahead from Monday night into Tuesday night when those first weather alerts are in effect on your first alert Comfort Air 7-day forecast. Low 60s expected after that point for daytime highs. Peep those overnight lows, though. Upper 30s, low 40s. I'm expecting we'll probably see some frost advisories in place by the weekend. We recover into the mid 60s. Could see another round of possible wind and maybe some precipitation in there, though. So that's something that we're going to have to monitor in the days ahead.
Thank you, Kelly. Appreciate it.